we're at Minsmere today. However, we won't be walking around the Minsmere Reserve because it's not dog friendly. However, in the visitor centre, they do have a dog walk map, so you can walk around some of the woods and along the beach that you have here. So we're going to give that a go today. Just popped into the centre. It's a really nice centre, lots of things in there to tempt you to buy, and a really nice cafe. Now the visitor centre you can actually go into with your dog, okay, and you can also go out to the terrace with it, so you can pop here and have a spot of lunch or something. The food is quite nice in here, pasties and rolls and sear batters, etc. So you can give that a go. Anyway, let's go and find this lay-by that you're parking and go on this walk. Right, so you come from that direction, so it's your first right out the car park for the dog walking area, and you come up here and there's a lay-by up here. That's where you park. So on that map that you get will be the routes you can take. I'll put a picture of that up again. So we're just going to have a wander around it, see what it's like. Walk down to the National Trust place. Come and have a look, eh? Dead silver birch here, and this is an emerging birch polypore. So this will be a big bracket fungi. Comes out like that, and once it's out and fresh and white underneath, you can remove a segment of the white cuticle underneath and peel it off, and the underside of it will be sterile, and you can use that as a plaster or something to cover up a graze or something. Also sliced up, it makes quite a good tinder once it's dried out. Not really edible, won't kill you, but it don't taste very nice. It's just like polystyrene. But yeah, interesting. It's like a nose, tree nose. And this is quite a rare tree in the UK. It's called a glove oak. And it bears these fruits, look. You've never seen one of them before, have you? Glove oak. Nice little old Scots pine. And to tell pines, you can see that, its needles grow in pairs. P for pine, pairs. Spruce have a single, so single, spruce, and larch has lots. So if you find one with lots of needles coming out, that's a larch. And this has obviously been damaged here because there's a bit of pine resin coming out. Look. It's a lovely smell. This beautiful bit of heathland habitat round here. There are bumblebees everywhere, all over this heather, gorse, butterflies, different types of parasitic wasps flying about, dragonflies. It's beautiful. And to be honest with you, it's a lot quieter than Minsmere. We're walking up here with a dog. We're heading towards the coast, towards the North Sea in fact. And there's a National Trust place up here. So I'm going to have a walk through that. I think there might be a little tea room there, we can get a drink. Just having a look around at the moment, just really nice. We have seen so far, or heard, Goldcrest. They love pine trees. If you look back through my videos, there's a really nice video about goldcrests and firecrests. I'll put a link up to that now. We've heard great tits. Actually just see a hobby fly through. Obviously because there's lots and lots of dragonflies here, and they will take dragonflies on the wing. They're fantastic dragonfly predators. Also, loads of different bumblebees. What's Sammy see now? He's pointing at something. I heard a little whistle. Yeah, quite a few different birds. But they're all hiding in the trees. So I'll see if we can get some pictures, but plenty of insects about. Lift, latch, then push gate. Some strong people about here, look at that. Flipping hell. Incredible Hulk's open that one. So yeah, coming up to the rut in October. However, if it's this warm for some time to go, it'll be pushed back to November. Too warm for all that red deer rumpy pumpy stuff. And we're heading up the Suffolk Coastal Path at the moment. On the wartime trail. Now, according to the map, big old airship crashed here somewhere. So we're walking through this beautiful heathland. I don't know if you can hear that, just listen. Just over there is one of my favourite UK birds, the Dartford Warbler. Yeah, it's a fair old distance away, so I've tried to get some shots of it for you, and I'll put a link up to another video that I did about the Dartford Warblers. But these are fantastically beautiful little birds. Listen to it. Yeah, cool's that? Well happy with that spot. Dartford Warbler. There we go. Sitting up on top of a clump of heather, having a warble. Happy days. Right, we're walking at the moment. I'll spin you around and show you. Right, so where am I? There. You can see in the distance that monstrosity there is size will be nuclear power station. But over there is the National Trust place where we're heading towards now, through this beautiful, beautiful heathland. Not seen any snakes yet, unfortunately, but I just heard a pair of, or probably a young kestrel, calling for some food, which is not going to get any more. And let's go and have a look what we can see down here. Entering the realms of the National Trust. And there you go, toilets there. Adapted toilet at Coast Guard cottages. This is a bit of a fun room for kids by the looks of things. Lots of different things to do for the nippers. So, there are your toilets down there. There's your car parks. So, visitor information, tea room, the heath and toilets, and the beach is that way. So we're going to go and have a look in the visitor information bit. See if we can get a drink. And have a look at the beach. Splendid. Oh, look at all that pampas grass in their houses, in their back gardens. And these little swatches here are for recording reptiles. So they put those down and then record at different times of the day when the reptiles are underneath there and if there are any reptiles underneath there. And that's a good little thing to do. Oh, and also it looks like you can hire, if Sammy gets out of the way, one of those go-go scooters. Your sightings board. Loads of different birds there have been seen. Brilliant. That's your visitor's information, and that is a tea room. Let's go and get a little drinkies, eh? That's quite a nice little tea room, plenty of indoor seating, and it's dog friendly. Happy days. We're just going to take you for a brief little mooch over to the sea, the North Sea. Since we walked all the way here, might as well, eh? And I've just had a Mars bar. Let me spin you around. Just had a flipping Mars bar there and hardly ever eat chocolate. Right? It was like a fun size one. What's happened to Mars bars? They used to be massive. It was like a little flipping fun size thing. Flipping hell, Mars bars. And it's not because I've got bigger either. Flipping tiny little things, like a fun size thing. Disgusting. Glad I don't eat a lot of them. Sycamore Park is where we're at. It's a camping and caravanning club site. So I hope you enjoyed that little walk around the dog walk at Minsmere. I'll go back one day and have a proper look round when I haven't got the mutt in tow. I thought I'd show you quickly around this little campsite that we've used for a base for this area. We're going to Southwold today. And if it's any good there, I'll show you in a video coming up. But this little campsite, little camping and caravanning club campsite, you got a men's shower and a men's toilet. And a ladies' shower and a ladies' toilet the other side, and washing up bits there. It's just a little rudimentary site really. Just use it as a base, it's nothing super special. It's quite quiet. There's your grey waste and your toilet empty. Oh, and your bins. That's reception. There's never anyone there. And what you do is you book online, or search for sites, phone them up or email them. They send you a pitch number, and that's it. You turn up once you're paid. Well, there we go, look. So that's it. Pitches all round the outside, some in the middle. And that's us there, parked in the middle. On pitch 7 we're on. 5-point dog poop bin. That's it. I'm just using this as a base. Basically what we're doing, we're heading back to Chez Lamoureux and getting ready for our next escapade, which should be pretty good. Yeah, so that's that. Oh, Zoe Wheeler, thank you so much for your super thanks, darling. That's really kind of you. Glad you like my videos, me waffling on. And yeah, you take care, darling. Thank you very much. I really appreciate that. Anyway, I'll leave that here. So again, I hope you enjoyed that walk around Minsmere. See some nice stuff there. It's a lovely walk. I recommend that. And this little campsite's pretty good as a little base to explore the Suffolk coast. Sycamore Park. Anyway, you take care. Stay safe. Stay sane. And I'll see you on the flip side. See you later. Bye.